Hi, today we talk about the art of AI investing and the rising value of IP protection, how AI is transforming IP valuation. AI is not just changing how businesses operate, it's fundamentally altering how investors and enterprises perceive and value intellectual property. As AI technologies mature and adoption accelerates across industries, the interplay between AI-driven innovation and IP valuation is becoming a central theme for investors, founders, and corporate strategists. We explore how AI is reshaping the landscape of IP valuation and why this matters for investment decisions and what practical strategies are emerging for leveraging AI to unlock new value from IP portfolios. Let's talk about the AI investment boom, new paradigms, and new value drivers. AI has moved from experimental to essential in the enterprise. Just in the past 2 years, enterprise buyers have shifted from cautious pilots to urgent large-scale deployment of AI solutions. This urgency is driven by a recognition that AI is an existential technology. Companies that fail to adapt risk losing their competitive edge or even the viability. For investors, this creates a dynamic environment where the winners are those who can identify, back, and scale the most promising AI-driven innovations. There's also a downside to AI. They can copy and replicate extremely quickly. So for example, with the vibe coding, people can copy new ideas practically in a month's time. So with these trends in mind, where are investors focused on? Personalization and cross-modality. Investors are keen on platforms that deliver deeply personalized, context-aware experiences, be it in education, healthcare, productivity, or consumer engagement. AI's ability to process and learn from diverse data, such as text, images, and voice, enables new types of applications and business models. Investors are also interested in proprietary data and workflow integration. The most valuable AI startups are those with access to unique, non-public data and deep integration into customer workflows. This creates a defensible moat and increases the value of both the technology and the associated IP. There's also speed and adaptability. In a market where technology cycles are accelerating, the ability to move fast in both product development and in capturing market share is itself a source of value. So, with that background, what is the transformative impact of AI on IP valuation? So traditional IP valuation. Historically, valuing IP, especially patent, has been a complex, manual, and often subjective process. Analysts would review documents, legal filing, market data, and comparable transactions to estimate the worth of a patent or a portfolio. This approach is expensive and prone to bias. AI has changed this game in the legal industry by doing the data analysis and processing at scale. AI, in particularly LLMs and machine learning algorithms, can ingest and analyze vast data sets. They can cover market trend, legal databases, prior art search, find infringers, licensing deals, and more. This enables a more comprehensive data-driven assessment of IP value. And as such, it can cover patterns and insight that human analysts might miss. AI can be used for predictive modeling for future value. In the case of IP portfolios, AI-powered predictive models can forecast future cash flow, market demand, and competitive risk. Factoring real-time data on technology and adoption and regulatory changes in industry trends, the AI models can provide a more accurate and forward-looking valuation. Third is the use of natural language and image processing. So natural language processing can parse complex patent texts and legal document and scientific literature to identify key value drivers such as the novel claims, the inventive concept, and potential applications. The image recognition tool can assess the uniqueness and the value of visual IP assets such as design patents as well as trademarks. Number 4, AI can provide automated risk assessment and due diligence. So AI can streamline due diligence by flagging potential risk like infringement claims, expiring patents, or overlapping rights. This helps investors and companies make more informed decisions and negotiate with fuller knowledge. Number 5 is that the AI can provide real-time market intelligence. AI tools can monitor competitor activities, patent filings, product launches, and shift in market demand. providing up-to-date intelligence that directly informs IP valuation. This awareness is crucial for both investors and IP owners seeking to maximize return. There are also uncertainties and opportunities in the legal landscape. For example, AI-generated content and IP rights can be problematic. The rapid rise of generative AI has introduced new complexities into IP law. Ongoing lawsuits such as those involving the New York Times and Meiji AI developers are testing the boundaries of copyright ownership and enforceability for AI-generated works. This uncertainty can both increase risk and create new opportunity for companies that establish proprietary rights over AI models and outputs. So, implications for investor would include you need to factor in the technical and commercial merits of an IP asset, but also legal defensibility in a rapidly evolving regulatory environment. Further, companies that provide solutions for tracking, managing, and licensing AI-generated content may become attractive investment target as their services become critical in the new IP regime. IP valuation is a strategic lever for investment, and IP valuation, if done accurately, matters for investors. For deal structuring, accurate and data-driven IP valuation enable better terms, whether in venture capital, in M&A, or licensing negotiations. The portfolio management can be better managed, and investors can effectively allocate resources and prioritize R&D and identified undervalued or overvalued asset within the portfolio. AI can also help in exit planning. Understanding the true worth of IP asset is critical for maximizing returns, be it through a sale, an IPO, or licensing deals. So, in short, the trends and innovations for AI apply to the patent space. Blockchain is an emerging force on future IP management. It is a tool for secure and transparent recording of patent transactions and ownership changes, further enhancing the integrity and traceability of IP data. The proliferation of IoT devices is also generating real-time usage and performance data, which can be integrated into AI-driven valuation model for the database that the AI can be trained on. So that's another source of value that investors can look at. Quantum computing further promises to accelerate and improve the accuracy of the AI learning and modeling in a number of spaces, not just in IP valuation. So the short of it is, what are some practical advices for investors and founders? For investors, you should prioritize company with defensible AI-enhanced IP. You can leverage AI tools for due diligence, and you can monitor legal and regulatory development in your space. For founders, you can build moats with proprietary data and workflow, and you should focus on collecting and leveraging unique data and embedding your solutions deeply into the customer's operation to create a defensible value. Founders can also adopt AI for IP management early. Use AI tools to continuously assess and optimize your IP portfolio, ensuring you're ready for investment, partnership, or opportunities that arise. And founders should stay agile. The pace of change in AI and IP is quite rapid, and so you should be prepared to adopt your IP strategy as new technologies and legal precedents emerge. In sum, AI is not just a technology, it's a catalyst for a new era of value creation and investment. By transforming how we discover, evaluate, and leverage intellectual property, AI is unlocking opportunities for both investors and innovators and founders. The winners in this landscape will be those who combine cutting-edge technology with strategic, data-driven approaches to business management and valuation. And as the legal and technological environments continue to evolve, founders need to stay informed, agile, and proactive. Whether you're an investor seeking the next breakout AI company or a founder looking to maximize the value of your startup, embracing AI-driven IP is no longer optional. It's the key to success in modern innovation economy. If you have any questions, feel free to call us.